Hi, welcome back to another strawberry season. My name is Laura, and this is Caleb and Jacob and Levi, my 3 boys. And we've got Father's Day coming up in just a few days. So today we wanted to show you guys a kid's recipe, and maybe the kids can make Dad a special treat for Father's Day coming up. So today we're gonna make
Strawberry milkshake. Strawberry milkshake.
ice cream, milk, strawberries of course, and
Vanilla.
vanilla is the secret ingredient here.
Yeah.
So we've got lots of helpers here, so we're gonna get them to work. First thing we're gonna do is just give our strawberries a quick rinse. I'll just say, just wash your strawberries right before you use them. Don't wash them ahead of time, because fresh strawberries, they're so tender that they'll mold easily or just spoil very quickly. I love this little tool that we sell at the farm because Caleb is just 5 years old and he can use it. And it's sharp enough to do the job, but not get hurt. So we want about 4 cups of ice cream. The strawberries on the bottom.
Ready, Mom?
Yep. Whoa.
Wow.
We'll start with putting about 1 cup of milk in. 1 slosh of vanilla, about a teaspoon,
That good, Mom?
a little bit more. One more time. There we go. Yep. Okay. There's our strawberry milkshake. So that's how you make strawberry milkshake. So kids, you guys can make this as a treat for your dad in just a few days for Father's Day, and he will be so happy.